Well, do you want to know two ways to mute someone's story on Instagram? Well, here is how you can do so. Well, there are primarily two ways. Here is how you can do. Method one is directly from the story. So open up Instagram first and head over to that particular user's story, right? Look at the user's story at the top of your feed. So here you can see the three dots at the top right beside the cross icon on the story. Tap on it and you can see the mute option. You can tap on mute and it'll prompt you whether you want to mute just stories or you want to mute stories and post. So you want to mute just stories if you want to. You can also mute stories and post as well. Now method two is via the profile page. So what you can do is you can head over to the user profile. Once you head over to the profile, the next step what you want to do is you want to tap the following button on their profile. So you can see following, tap on it, and here you can see mute option, tap on mute, and what you want to mute, you can enable stories muting option. So this is the two way to mute someone on Instagram story. Hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe.